Matsuura is a family-owned company. The company was founded in 1935 by my grandfather Toshio Matsuura, and then followed by my father Masanori, so I'm the third generation Matsuura family member. Matsuura has been always engineering-oriented company, developing cutting-edge technologies and unique machines such as high-speed cutting, lights-out multi-pallets and tool solutions. This mindset came from our founder's motto, "Do what no one else does." For more than 80 years, we have kept this motto as to be a pioneer in machine tool industry. So it's now our deep and solid culture at every level of company, sustaining our core value. I can assure you, we continue to imagine, create, innovate to offer unique products and technologies to our customers.